Hi everyone, I am Nayoka Kelly Campbell of Kelly Fiscal LLC, and I want to welcome you back to another segment of our financial tips and tools. But before I begin, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified each time we upload our weekly financial videos every Sunday at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
So I have been getting a lot of requests to speak on credit. What is credit? What does having a good credit history or even a high credit score means here in the US? How to repair and build your credit? Well, the wait is over. I am dedicating the month of November to speak on credit. So please set your reminders and join our weekly premiere on Sundays at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget to share with your family and friends. I know a lot of people would love to gain more insight on this specific topic. So even if you were born here in the US, you have recently migrated, or it's in your plan to migrate to the US, I strongly encourage you to watch, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, credit is a huge term that's used constantly in the US. And it's important for individuals and businesses to build a good credit, better yet, a great credit history and a fair enough or a high credit score in order to qualify for a loan, credit cards, or other business activities that require credit worthiness. Also note that having credit is completely associated with your social security number. Now, the term credit or credit line, simply put, is basically borrowing money from an institution with the expectation of future payments, which normally includes fees and interest payments. Now, credit can come in the form of cash, check, or even credit cards. Now, lenders normally look for credit worthiness before extending a line of credit to you. Therefore, if you're just starting to build your credit, and you are seeking to apply for a loan or a line of credit, there are several things that can take place. The lender can approve you for the loan for the desired amount that you requested, or they can deny your loan application if you do not have enough credit history, or they can approve your loan application with a lower amount but with a higher interest rate. Or they can even offer to give you a credit card with their minimum credit limit, which normally ranges between $300 to $1,500 or even more, depending on the institution. But here's a catch to all of this. Each time you apply for a loan or submit an application for a new credit card or a line of credit, your credit will be greatly affected. And this is what is called a hard inquiry. What this does is it lowers your credit score by a certain amount of points. Now, if I must say, they have already set you up from the beginning in making it hard to even try to build a credit history for yourself. But there are definitely ways to build and repair your credit, which we will talk about in another segment to follow this month of November. Now, let's look briefly at credit history. It's always best to have a good credit history, which means that you are always on time in repaying your debt or your loan. Hence, there are no missed or late payments. And I would highly recommend that if you have a loan that's in repayment, try to set your loan up on auto pay. Now, your credit history can be found directly from your credit report, and it's fairly easy to get a free copy of your credit report. And I will also provide a link in the description below where you can apply for a free copy of your credit report. And try to do this annually. I also urge you to sign up for one of those free credit apps such as Credit Karma, where you are able to watch and monitor your credit history and your credit score. Again, a link will be provided in the description below. Now, let's look briefly at credit score. A credit score basically can range from 300, which is considered a poor score, up to 850, which is considered an excellent score. And our main goal is to build our credit score to 850 or even close to that number and try to maintain being in that upper tier of the score levels. Easier said than done, right? But that's basically where credit repair companies comes in and helps you to build a great credit history and credit score. A link to a few credit repair companies can be found in the description below. One more thing that I think is very important to know, and that is the three major credit bureaus, which are Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Now, these agencies basically collects data and gather your account information from various creditors and provides that information to the Consumer Reporting Agency here in the US. And I'm sure there are other terms used for these agencies in other countries. So here's the thing. Your credit can be found at any of these agency data sites. And these agencies then provides your account information to lenders, which helps them to assess your credit worthiness, your ability to pay back a loan, and it also affects the interest rate and other terms of the loan. I know that was a lot to consume and probably understand, but the good thing is this video is always available for you to watch over and over until you have digested the information much better. If you have any questions on this topic, please leave a comment or contact us at nayoka@califiscal.com or 347-201-2228. We are always here to help. And again, a link to a few credit repair companies and a free credit app will be available in the description below. Thanks for joining us in another segment of our financial tips and tools, and tune in every Sunday at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we provide you with more financial tips to help maintain your financial health. Thank you guys for watching.